What's up, my people? How you guys doing? Hope you all are doing perfectly well. So today is a new week, and we have to actually look into the charts and see how the days are going to be going by. So today is Monday, the first day of the week. So um, when we're talking the last time on the XY and USD and Euro USD, I made mention of this level. I see, nobody controls the market. So price just came back here, tap into this um block down here and just went to the upside. I was actually looking for price to come back to this prefer block, but there's no way. So at the end of the day, what we're going to do now is to since as price took this level here, right? Price took this level around this area. So from here, settle there. So from here, we are going to actually wait for price to come back around this level. But you have to understand the price now is very volatile. So price can still come back, or we might just continue pushing back to the upside. But I'm waiting for price to come back to at least 50% of this level. From we have this range, and that's the exact point, this area. So if price can come back there, then we can see if we can push price to the upside. The funny thing is, I'm not even in this trade though. Massa, I saw the trade very clearly on this guy the other day, but I could not take it because the USD did not give more down there, and the other USD pairs were doing rubbish. So it made in such a way that I could not even do anything. So that's the point for today. So we'll keep moving. The fact that price has not given us what we want does not mean that we are not going to at least look for different market opportunities. So let's look into let me show you something like your card, right? The space they are moving here. These guys, they don't even care. They are moving to the upside. See as this young man, look at how he dumped. If you were looking at the other presentation, you discover that Leo had not taken his own low, but now just came out push down. Man, this market is not easy to analyze. So, but anyways, at the end of the day, we keep moving forward. CGU. Okay, so let's go to futures, where we're going to be looking at the crude oil. Because if you look at the war between Israel and Iran, you're going to discover that price is actually making us price is in a consolidation. Look at something. Price has been consolidating for almost many weeks now, but now it started moving around this area, and right now price has given us another confirmation here. So right now I'm in this trade, and I'm expecting the trade to give me like, let's say 1 to 3. And when it does that, great. So some illustrator on this level. So I'm waiting for price to just give us what we want now. We start pushing to the upside. Okay, so let's look at how you can this pay again. AUD card, AUD and its other brothers. This AUD USD. Look at that level. Our price is just taking us up. Oh la la. It's not easy. So I'm looking at JPY. In fact, all the JPY pairs this week they're going to be bullish because price came back to around this level. Yeah. So I'm expecting that if I see anything like a 30-minute break of structure to the upside, I'm going to expect price to start pushing to the upside. So that's my view on this pair. It's not easy. Oh, keep moving. So right now, let's look at our industry pairs. We start on Nasdaq. Nasdaq has been bearish. It has come purchase our 4 hours order block, and from here we'll be expecting Nasdaq to start reacting. So from here we'll be expecting Nasdaq to be reacting, but I don't know if it's going to keep moving to the downside or how, because you're seeing that oil prices are going to move to the upside. So I don't know. The price of Nasdaq has even been high, so I might be expecting Nasdaq to come. It has already closed. It has closed as a body below this area. So I might be expecting Nasdaq to come and take all this. So we might be expecting this to be our first draw on liquidity, second draw on liquidity, and third draw on liquidity. So, but we don't know if Nasdaq is going to push the downside or it's just going to retrace. But this bullish, this bearish candle indicates a lot. It shows a lot of what Nasdaq is wanting to do. So it's called that Nasdaq has been really bullish, but around this point now, it wants to change structure. So we're just going to wait, see how Nasdaq is going to react around this level. So yeah, I'm just going to wait and see go to US 30. Are you guys seeing US 30? Look at what the pair is doing. The pair is just consolidated. Going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Like when you look from this level, it's just a full consolidation here. I will really like if I will really love it if USDCHF, if US 30 can come down to around this level, it'll be great. Then also I can start pushing to the upside. But if it does not, okay, USDCHF has taken the high, so it shows that all these other points here. USDCHF has taken this high. She is showing that all these points here will become liquidity. The price can come and take, come back to around 50% of this level. Then I'll start pushing back to the upside. So that's how the price is trying to tell me that it's going to, what the price is going to do. But we're just going to wait and see how price is going to react at these different levels. So let's go to J. Actually I had trade running on J, doing that already close profit. Actually I took a trade from here, so price expanded from here to this level. Almost, let me calculate the number of pips. Almost 1,000 pips from here to around this level. 1,200 pips. So don't mind. Let's trade it. You wait for the perfect moment, you buy and you hold. So this is what we are going to be waiting to around this level. I'm going to be waiting for this. Okay, so price has taken this level. I don't know if price is going to react from here. If price is going to react from here, we're going to see it, or is going to actually come back to the downside. So that's just it for this week. I don't really have much on different pairs. I don't have much views on different pairs. It's just a few pairs in which I'm looking at. That's all. So I want you guys to just share it down in the comments. The pairs you want me to actually focus on when I'm doing my next analysis. The pairs you want me to analyze. So let me analyze gold for my gold traders. Those who want to be trading gold. So gold has been great, even though it took me out last week. Gold gave this break of structure, went back to mitigate 50% of the level. When I start moving down, because I thought gold would start moving back down from this level. So it took me out, then I did not really move down here. So that's what price does really. Just once you liquidate everything. So it's rather gold now is pushing till this level. But we don't know how gold is going to react from this other block. Because this other block that push price right to its upside. So now we don't know how gold is going to react from there. But we just have to be patient. If price can come back into this range, give us another break of structure to the downside, then that will be a green move. If you can have something like this, that would be good. Then we cannot just sit quiet and just be looking at the market. But the only thing is I'm bullish on crude oil. I'm very bullish on crude oil. So that's it for today. So you can just look for other buying opportunities because not as much crude oil is high. There's the probability that it's going to retrace, come back around this level here. You can come back and mitigate this level down here. Even if you have already tested it, so just as you just be watchful, just be looking at crude oil. You can come back and mitigate this gap, then push now to the upside. So it's up to you to just be patient and just wait for the market to play out and you join the market too. So that's the trading for this week. So I'll just be giving you guys updates on how the week is going, the trades I'm taking, and how profitable I'm going to be this week. So if you guys are enjoying this video, I want you to like, share, subscribe, and at the end of the day, all glory to God. Stay blessed. Peace out.